you are convinced that teaching teamwork in your chemistry lab is a good idea. But what do you do and when? Hello, my name is Dr. Esther Trufan, and I have been teaching and assessing teamwork in my chemistry labs for over 10 years at the university level. When it comes to it, I begin the instruction of teamwork on the first day of classes. Most people only review the syllabus and then send the students home. I find that time can be used more wisely to build cohesive team dynamics. So on day one, I implement an icebreaker case study. Then the students are assigned into their groups and they complete the team constitution guide. And when they go home, they already know the name of their colleagues who they are going to work with for the rest of the semester. If nothing happens, then I let them practice their team dynamics and build their rapport during the semester. And at the end of the semester, I ask them to submit a teamwork reflection as part of the course sequence. If things are not looking that great and multiple teams begin struggling, then in the middle of the semester, I also consider having a team constitution revision day and also include a brief reflection on what they revised and how they hope that will improve their collaboration skills. All the resources that I use in my classes are included in the experimentium.org collection, instructor resources, teamwork resources.